So you're probably thinking, how the hell am I going to replace this fairbury American Standard hose? Well, you pull it out and you can't get the new one in. And I saw in another comment, the easiest way they did it, but there's no video, is reverse it. Send it back up from the bottom. There's the end that attaches normally to the sprayer. Push it all the way back through till the reverse end comes out the top. Tape that to your new hose end. Pull it through and it should be good. You won't have to do things like pull it all the way apart like I had to. Good luck. Okay, pulling. I think I popped it through. Hopefully it didn't come apart. There she is. Just undo the tape. Thanks, American Standard, for a crappy design.